Gorillas. Gorillas are found in Africa. They are endangered due to hunters. That means there's not many gorillas left on Earth. A silverback gorilla is an older male and the protector of the troop. Gorillas eat leaves and plants. Gorillas can weigh up to 400 pounds. They can be up to 6 feet tall. That's as tall as Mr. Schultz. Gorillas eat fruit. They have long arms and short legs. Gorillas live in rainforests. They walk on all fours. That means on their hands and legs, or feet. Gorillas also eat bark and tree roots.